Yesterday, I showed you why most people use ChatGPT the wrong way. Today, I'll show you a simple formula that instantly improves your results. Most people write prompts like this. Write a blog. That's too vague. Instead, use this simple formula. Role, task, and details. Let's see the difference. A bad prompt would be write a Facebook post, but a better prompt sounds like this. Act as a professional digital marketing expert. Write a Facebook post for a real estate business. The goal is to generate leads. Keep it professional, engaging, and under 200 words. See what happened? You didn't ask a better question. You gave ChatGPT a better job. Now it's your turn. Choose any topic you like and rewrite your prompt using role, task, and details. Comment with your prompt below and I'll improve a few of the best ones for free. In the next episode, I'll show you the 5 biggest prompt mistakes that make ChatGPT give boring and inaccurate answers.